You won't believe how this city runs entirely on solar power. The engineering will blow your mind. Hello guys, welcome to Expo Academy, your go-to channel for mind-blowing stories of engineering brilliance and technological wonders. If you love exploring the future of innovation, you're in the right place. Let's dive into today's incredible story. What if I told you there's a city that doesn't just use solar power? It's powered entirely by the sun. No backup, no safety net, just pure sunlight running everything from homes to factories. Sounds impossible, right? Well, brace yourself because this is real and it's about to shatter everything you think you know about energy. Meet Babcock Ranch, Florida, a city that's turning heads and rewriting the rule book. It's not just solar-powered, it's solar-obsessed. But here's the question, how do they pull it off? And can other cities follow their lead? Buckle up because the answers will blow your mind. Let's talk about their jaw-dropping solar farm. Forget your neighbor's rooftop panels, this is next-level engineering. Over 700,000 solar panels stretch across 440 acres, sucking up sunlight like a sponge. These panels use cutting-edge photovoltaic tech to transform sunlight into electricity, and the scale is nothing short of insane. But wait, what happens when the sun takes a day off? Cloudy skies, nighttime? Here's the genius part. They've got colossal lithium-ion batteries storing excess energy. Think of these as the ultimate backup. A power bank so massive it keeps the entire city running 24/7 without missing a beat. And it doesn't stop there. The city is wired with a smart grid, an AI-powered system that balances energy demand like a chess master. Imagine an orchestra where every note is perfectly timed. If one neighborhood pulls too much power, the grid redirects energy instantly, keeping everything smooth and uninterrupted. Here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. The entire city is a masterclass in efficiency. Homes are insulated to trap cool air. Appliances sip power instead of guzzling it. Even the streetlights dim automatically when there's no traffic. It's not just sustainable, it's smarter than any city you've ever seen. And get this, the solar farm generates more electricity than the city actually needs. That's right, they make extra energy and sell it to nearby towns. Imagine turning your electric bill into a paycheck. This isn't just engineering, it's a revolution. Babcock Ranch isn't just a city, it's a glimpse into the future. It proves that with bold ideas and groundbreaking technology, we can break free from fossil fuels. Engineers here didn't just build a city, they built hope for a cleaner, smarter world. So, the next time someone says solar power can't handle the big stuff, show them this city. A place where sunlight rules and innovation knows no limits. This isn't just the future, it's happening right now. Thanks for watching XPO Academy. If this video left you amazed, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more groundbreaking stories about engineering and technology. Let us know in the comments. Could your city go solar? Until next time, keep dreaming big and thinking bright.